Welcome to Credentia, your partner for success in nurse aide credentialing. Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to renew your nurse aide registration certificate. To continue practicing as a nurse aide, it is important to renew your registration certificate every 2 years. Your registration certificate is valid for a period of 24 months and can be renewed through the registry section in the CNA 365 application. The renewal window may vary depending on the state you are in and can be up to 90 days prior to or after the certificate's expiration date. To find out the specific timeline for renewals in your state, please go through Renewals under your state-specific handbook or search for renewals in our self-help guide section. If you need to renew your registration certificate, simply head to the registry section, where you can find your registered certificate details. If your certificate is approaching its expiration date, you will see the renewal option available. Just click on the renewal button to access the renewal request form. Fill in all the required details in the input fields provided. Once you have completed all the necessary details, click on the Submit button to send the renewal request. Note that some state renewals may have a renewal fee to be paid, and the amount may vary depending on the state. To complete the renewal request, click on the Add Cart button and complete the payment process to send the request form for the renewal. After your renewal request is approved, a new registration certificate will be generated and made available in the Registration tab of the Registry section. To access the certificate, simply navigate to the Registration tab and locate the info box, where your renewed active registration certificate will be displayed. To view the certificate, click on the View Registration button. Additionally, you can download a copy of the certificate by clicking on the Download button located at the top right corner of the page. If your state issues paper certificates, the newly registered or renewed certificates will be sent to your contact address. Note that you ensure your contact information is correct in the Manage Profile section before submitting your request. How to request a duplicate registration certificate. The request for the duplicate registration certificate only applies to the states that issue paper certification. If your state issues paper certificates, the newly registered or renewed certificates will be sent to your contact address. The option to request a duplicate certificate is only available to candidates who are in the intended state. If you have lost your certificate or didn't receive it, you can request a duplicate to be mailed. Simply click on the Duplicate Registration button located at the top right section of this page. Here, select the reason for your request and click the Submit button to send your request. Upon approval, the certificate will be mailed to the provided address. Make sure to check the emails you registered with, as we also send notification alerts. For further details or assistance, explore our self-help guides.